Hey friends, if the date and time is missing in the Windows taskbar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to get it back. Now, as of present, I do not have any date and time here. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then you can go to the time and language tab, select date and time in the right pane, and then turn the switch on for show date and time in the system tray. Okay, so this is what you can do. And the next solution will be to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update on the list on the left hand side, click on check for updates in the right pane. And going further, the next solution will be to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now, and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.